The overall goal of this procedure is to map intracerebral networks in patients with brain tumors. This is accomplished by first acquiring diffusion tensor imaging, or DTI, along with structural imaging for surgical planning. The second step is to use software to perform fiber tracking with the acquired data. Next, the data is integrated into a format that can be used in the neuro navigation system. The final step is the transfer of the data to the navigation system in the operating room. Ultimately, DTI fiber tracking is used to show white matter tracks intraoperatively in order to help reduce postoperative morbidity.
The main advantage of the presented protocol, compared to more sophisticated research technologies, is its suitability for everyday routine use.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of neurosurgery regarding spatial relationships between cerebral lesions and white matter tracts.
Besides the fact that this method of visualization of the visual pathway helps us in this special kind of anatomy, the method with a very well applicable clinical protocol is of very high value for each and any brain tumor operation, but also for stereotactic functional interventions in neurosurgery. Generally, for individuals who are new in this field of work, we have to say that they may have problems in the very beginning due to the very complex software, and they have to pass a steep learning curve.